The project management skill is really useful for my life. It's not only in the project, but in my future also.
PMIEF is the organization through which we support project management education with younger generations.
They learn teamwork, collaboration, planning, budgeting, all skills that they're going to need later in their life.
We do that by collaborating with so-called youth-serving non-for-profit organizations, such as Special Olympics, Discovery Education, Formula One in schools, Junior Achievement.
Our project management training for young peoples goes through all the phases of project management. We want to ensure that they have the skills from starting with a project idea to actually being able to implement and then evaluate that project.
For me, project management is important so that we can plan what to do and what not to do.
The earlier you can learn these skills, the more productive and successful you'll be in life.
F1 in schools has really helped me to come out of my shell and be more confident in just everyday life.
PMIEF really understands empowerment and skill development. When you put those two together, it's an incredibly formidable match.
Mi proyecto lleva como nombre Amigo de los Niños. Este nombre fue inspirado en lo que fue y lo que es hoy en día la Fundación Children.
It is very global in nature, with concrete impact in 88 countries last year.
Here, we're bringing the finalists of 390,000 young entrepreneurs to showcase their business ideas.
I learned how to be a project manager and a leader of a team.
It provides grants, but also volunteering opportunities for our community, and social impact in general is a core pillar of what PMI does.
There's a reason why Special Olympics exists, and it's not because things were great. PMIEF understood that in a deep way. And they said, if we're going to do something with our philanthropy, we want to do it and make a real impact.
We will spend the next 5 days gaining skills and knowledge that can be deployed in our local communities once we return home.
我们这个项目的目标呢，是旨在促进智力障碍儿童的心理健康发展。
Over 15,000 individual donors contribute to PMIEF each year.
We have now currently 15 youth-serving non-for-profit partners with whom we work. Last year, more than 2 million kids have been actually exposed to project management.
Project management in F1 schools taught me everything that I need to think about in order to reach my goals.
We provide monetary grants, but we also provide support.
The first year of most of our grants is to really help upskill the staff, train the trainer so that they're able to support the youth.
I would definitely encourage other youth-serving organizations to collaborate with PMIEF and to utilize the PMIEF resources.
When we see 1 million kids trained by Formula One in schools, and you see young girls being attracted into technical and managerial career paths through this, when you see the life of entire communities being improved by organizations like Special Olympics International, it speaks for itself.
Project management is really, it's an everyday thing that is good for the entire world.
Our generation, we want to change the future of project management. Is next step for the young to create the new future.